Welcome to today's class on analytic geometry. Today we discuss polar equation for a conic with eccentricity E. You consider a conic section. This conic section may be ellipse, parabola or hyperbola. So suppose that the focus of the conic be at origin and let x equal to k be the directrix. And you consider P be a point on the conic section. Suppose that its polar coordinate is r theta. Let focus F of the conic be at origin. Let x equal to k be the directrix. Let P be a point on the conic section. Let r theta be the polar coordinate of P. So we have r theta, so that this angle is theta and this vector is radius vector r. So distance from origin to the point P is r. Then by focus directrix equation, Fp is equal to EPD. So we have to find Fp and EPD. So we have Fp is equal to R. Drop a perpendicular PB from P to x-axis. Then PD equal to B. Suppose that this is some M. PD equal to BM, where M is the point at which the directrix meet x-axis. And from the figure we have BM equal to FM minus FB, and we have FM equal to K. So distance from origin to this line, since x is equal to K, this distance is K. So we have FM equal to K, and from triangle FBP, FB equal to R cos theta. Therefore BM equal to K minus R cos theta. That is PD, that is equal to BM, is equal to K minus R cos theta. Therefore FP is equal to EPD implies R equal to E into K minus R cos theta, or this implies R equal to EK minus ER cos theta. This implies R plus ER cos theta is equal to EK. This implies R into 1 plus E cos theta. This is equal to EK. This implies R equal to EK divided by 1 plus E cos theta. So this is the polar equation of a conic section with the focus at origin and a directrix x equal to K. Polar equation of a conic with eccentricity E is R equal to Ke by 1 plus E cos theta, where x equal to K, where K is greater than 0, is the vertical directrix. Now this represents A parabola if E is equal to 1, an ellipse if E is less than 1, and is a hyperbola if E is greater than 1. The equation for the conic section with eccentricity E greater than 0 varies with locations of the directrix. So for example, if x equal to k, you know that the equation of the conic is r is equal to ke by 1 plus e cos theta. And if the directrix is x equal to minus k, and the focus is origin, then equation of the conic is r equal to ke by 1 minus e cos theta. And if the focus is at origin and the directrix is y is equal to k, then equation of the conic is r equal to ke by 1 plus e sin theta. And if the directrix is at y equal to minus k and the focus is at origin, then the equation of the conic is r equal to ke by 1 minus e sin theta. So we may prove this. So we already have the first formula. So we can prove the remaining formula. So here you consider the directrix to be x equal to minus k, and suppose that this is the focus at 0 0, and suppose that P be a point on the conic section. So this is a conic section, and let PD be parallel to the x-axis. So this is the x-axis, and suppose that x-axis meets the directrix at M, and suppose that you drop a perpendicular PB to x-axis. Therefore, suppose that r theta be the polar coordinate of the point P, so that this angle will be theta and this length will be r. So these are the given things. So let F be the focus, where F is at origin 0 0. Let x equal to minus k be the directrix. Then let P r theta be the polar coordinate of P. Then by focus directrix equation, Fp is equal to E into PD. So here also Fp is R, PD is MB, so that is equal to Fm minus B FB. So this is equal to Fm is k, the distance k, so the origin to this distance is k, minus FB. In triangle FBP, angle BFP is equal to 180 minus theta. So this angle is 180 minus theta. Therefore, FP is equal to R cos 180 minus theta. So that is equal to minus R cos theta. Therefore, PD equal to K minus FB. So K minus R cos theta. So this is K plus R cos theta. Therefore, FP is equal to EPD implies R is equal to E into K plus R cos theta. So this implies R is equal to EK plus ER cos theta. This implies R minus ER cos theta is equal to EK. This implies R into 1 minus E cos theta is equal to KE. This implies R equal to KE divided by 1 minus E cos theta. This is the equation, which is the equation of the conic section with x equal to minus K as directrix. Focus at 0, 0. Now we derive the polar equation of the conic section with the directrix y equal to K. So suppose that this is the directrix y equal to K. And suppose that this is the conic section. So let F be the focus, let it be 0, 0. And you consider the point P. Suppose that its polar coordinate is r theta, so that this angle is theta and this length is r. Fp is equal to r. So you consider a point D on the directrix such that PD is parallel to the y-axis. Suppose that the directrix meets the y-axis at M, and suppose that this is x-axis, and drop a perpendicular PB to MF. Now from the figure you can see that this angle is angle BFP is 90 minus theta. So let y equal to K be the directrix. Let F00 be the focus. Let r theta P r theta be the polar coordinate of the point P on the conic section. Then by focus directrix equation, Fp is equal to EPD. Now here Fp is equal to R and PD is equal to Bm. This is equal to Fm minus Fb. So you know Fm is K minus Fb. Fb we have to find. So from triangle FBP, Fb equal to R cos 90 minus theta. So this is R sin theta. Therefore PD equal to K minus R sin theta. Therefore by focus directrix equation, R equal to E into K minus R sin theta. So this implies R equal to EK minus ER sin theta. So this implies R plus ER sin theta is equal to KE. This implies R into 1 plus E sin theta is equal to KE. So this implies R equal to KE divided by 1 plus E sin theta. is the equation of the conic section with focus at 0, 0 and directrix y is equal to k. So now we discuss the fourth case. So suppose that the directrix is y is equal to minus k. So this is the directrix. Suppose that the point D is this one, and you consider the point P on the conic section, and in this case this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So the angle theta is this one. So suppose that P r theta be a point on the conic. So suppose that this is this point, and if this is y-axis, this is the angle theta, and you know this is the distance r. So focus is at origin. So these are the assumptions. Drop a perpendicular PB, and suppose that the directrix meets the y-axis at M, and suppose that PD is parallel to BM. So let F00 be the focus, let PR theta be the polar coordinate of the point P on the conic section, and from the figure, using focus directrix equation, FP is equal to E into PD. So FP is R here, PD is BM, that is equal to FM minus FP. You know FM is K minus FP. So from this triangle, since this angle is theta, this angle is 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta. Therefore, from triangle PBF, FB equal to R cos 270 minus theta. So this is equal to minus R sin theta. Therefore, PD equal to K plus R sin theta. Therefore, FP equal to EPD implies FP is R equal to E into K plus R sin theta. So from this, R equal to EK plus ER sin theta. This implies R minus ER sin theta equal to EK. This implies R into 1 minus E sin theta is equal to K. So this implies R equal to Ke by 1 minus E sin theta, which is the polar equation of conic section with focus 0, 0 and directrix y is equal to minus k. So this proves all 4 cases. So that's all for the day. Have a nice day.